travelingmel.com.
We are in Krka National Park in Croatia. It's a tiny little national park, but full of waterfalls and maybe a castle and some Roman ruins. So we're super excited to go check it out. There's all these really beautiful pathways over the water through the waterfalls. And it's off season, so everything's closed, of course, like everywhere we go. But the waterfalls are always open. We're gonna check it out. Well, till 4 o'clock, then they close too. This is really beautiful. We had seen photos on Instagram and other places and really wanted to check it out, and I'm so glad we did. It's beautiful, it's green, it's really different than the coast where we've been. Kids are digging this boardwalk running back and forth, and yeah, it's just kind of peaceful and water and green and nice. This overlook is outrageous. There's all these waterfalls coming in from different sides and stone buildings, and I've seen a lot of beautiful places in my life, and this is definitely one of them. What's similar about this national park and the coast where we were earlier and Mammoth Hot Springs in Yellowstone near where we live is that they're all limestone karst, and these waterfalls are made of travertine, and so are the mammoth terraces, and so is the island that we were on. So that part of it is similar, but it's a different look. Same building blocks, different look.
What do you think, Ben?
I think this is one of the prettiest views I've ever seen.
What are you guys doing right now?
Playing a game and walking downstairs. We're running away from evil dinosaurs that want to eat us like all dinosaurs do.
What do you think about this park?
It's awesome. Beautiful and very more beautiful.
But you're playing Attack of the Dinosaurs, right?
It's more of a Jurassic Park one. But yes. But we still get to admire the landscape. Overlooking this, oh my gosh, spectacular waterfall, and there's even a tiny bit of sunshine finally. We are in a different part of the park now, a little further north, going to see some small cascades, and then the Roski Slap, which is a waterfall. Slap or schlap is a Croatian word for waterfall. And here we go. Going to take a little excursion up these stairs to a cave. And what are we going to see in the cave, Anders? Cave stuff.
The inside of a cave. Yay!
cascades down here, and sun's getting ready to set. Okay, more steps. We're almost there. We got up 294 stairs and then saw there was a sign for 224 more steps or something. But I think we hopefully are closing in on it now. This looks very cave-like. What's the word, Anders? It's closed! 510 steps in there. That's hilarious. The cave was closed, bummer, but we got a great view up here and we got a little exercise, so are we okay with it closed?
Yeah, I mean, I definitely could have had it open.
Would have been better if we could have gone inside. Or if there had been a sign at the bottom just indicating. But whatever. When in Croatia, as they say. So we're gonna turn around and watch the sunset a little bit. It's gonna be hard to catch on camera. But it looks nice down there, and then back down to the river to meet Henry and Finn.
What do you think of this part of the Krka? Tell me about it.
I think it's really cool because if you if you can zoom in on your camera or your phone, you probably can, or iPad or any device that can take photos, you can make this look like Niagara. You can make some of this look like Niagara Falls from what I've seen with the pictures, because I haven't actually been there. But I think it's really awesome.
What's your favorite thing you've seen so far? Talk to the camera.
Probably when I was walking over here on the other side, I saw a duck flying underwater. It was pretty awesome.
Yay! A heron and a waterfall.
What makes water? What is that?
Google Translate.
From what?
Waterfall.
It's from the Croatian word for waterfall.
What is that?
Slough. Oh, Henry. Alright, hope you loved Krka National Park as much as we did. And I also hope that you will leave a comment or subscribe or both and give us the old thumbs up and share it with your friends. Because we love you. Because it helps us get noticed on YouTube and we want to be noticed.